Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are going to be reviewing Kava Rub by Polynesian Touch Therapy. Polynesian Touch Therapy is a Samoan-owned business located in Sacramento, California. They specialize in lomi massage as well as the Samoan 4-4. They not only offer the massage and therapeutic services such as cupping, but they also teach you how to the family style of the 4-4 the family for four. And the family for four is where the client is fully clothed and is laying on a mat, as you can see in this video. And one of the things that I am always looking for is new Samoan businesses and products that we can share here on Measina, Treasures of Samoa. And so we are currently trying out the Kava Rub. For many of you Pacific Islands widely use kava to drink and in ceremonial events. So I am very excited to try the Kava Rub, which, let me tell you, it's used for sore muscles, aches, back pain, tension, nerve pain, strains, bruises, and more. So I have endometriosis, and so I have a lot of back pain. I also have recently found I have tendonitis on my feet, so there's lots of aches there. So I'll be trying this out on all of my aches and pains in my 44-year-old body. What does it have in it? It is for topical use only, and so keep it away from children. It's 100% organic. The ingredients of the Kava Rub are hemp seed oil, coconut oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, kava, dried root glycerite, essential oils of cinnamon leaf, camphor, cajeput, I don't think I pronounced that correctly, peppermint, and wintergreen. And you can smell it already without it even being opened. So let me try and figure out how to open this. Oop, it's got one of those cool things where it's already perforated. Okay, so it's a nice cute little tin. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, if only there's like camphor, but I can also have the hints of peppermint. Oh, really good. So it's a bit like a Vaseline kind of consistency. It goes on well. It goes into my skin very well, so there's that. I also have arthritis, so putting it where it hurts. Yeah, easy to apply, and it smells so good. Nothing is really hurting right now, so I can't tell you the benefits of it helping with something that's sore. I will try and put it on my... I'll see when my son finishes work, when he finishes training, kolingi, and see if he needs anything to be eased. I might even try my husband. Yeah, so far so good. It smells amazing. It's easy. It's not really greasy. Yeah, so I will see if I can try this on somebody else and get back to you.
Yep, that really makes a difference. Lovely smell. It's loosened my shoulders right up.